Hello, hello. It's Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. This is my 3x7 matrix. Every time I log in, I got a new person. I just logged in earlier. Arnold was new. My friend Arnold Fisher joined my 3x7 matrix. It's a global opportunity with digital products, residual passive income every month, pays $3 or $7 per person every month. I'm going to do a test here while I'm recording. I'm going to see if I log out and log back in if I got another new person because it's crazy. It's like every time I log in, I have somebody new in there. So Brian he just popped in there a little while ago. So hold on, I'm gonna push pause and I'm gonna go open my browser and log in. Okay, hopefully this thing is still recording. I'm gonna log in. Adam Walker is the owner of the company. You can see his phone number right there. He does answer questions. Right now it's 6:20 in the morning, but over by him it's probably 3 in the morning or 4 in the morning in Utah. 801-300-7291. You can call him during normal business hours or write him an email. He will answer questions. He's very personable, very kind. Uh, he's on the Zoom calls. He talks, you hear him. He doesn't hide. He's not one of those admins that likes to hide behind a website or they're behind the scenes and nobody knows who they are. This guy is out there and he shows his picture on the website, his phone number, his email address. He's accessible. He answers questions. He's honest. He's a really, really good admin so far, and I really like him. He's a great guy. God bless him. So I'm gonna log in. I want to see because it seems like every time I log in, I got somebody new. So this is live, and I'm recording. So see if there's somebody under. I think the last guy was Brian and Arnold. Maybe I'll have somebody else. So let's see. I'm gonna log in. I'm gonna go down. Log in. Member login. Automatic login. And then if you go to, he's got a really good genealogy. You can see who sponsored the person and you can contact the people. You can get their link and actually help build your team below you by promoting their link or their ID number. You can connect with them. You can write them emails. You can call them, text them, because I want to help people that are below me, even if I didn't bring them in the program. So I'm going to click on genealogy and I want to show you something. This is crazy. I had 6 people on my third level. Let's see what I got now. Okay, so it's still 6. Level 1, Level 2, Level 3, Level 4. There's nobody in my Level 4 yet, but there will be soon. Just a little while ago, Arnold Fisher. See all these yellow people? These are all new people that just joined within the last few days. That means somebody just got a fast start bonus if they're yellow. We get a $25 fast start bonus that pays us at the beginning of the month, next month. And then after that, everybody gets the residual $3 per person or $7 per person each month. So Brian C. It shows right now I'm getting $33 monthly commission, $9.21 and 3. But once these yellow people turn white, I'll be getting residual income from them because the fast start goes that $25 out of the 30 when they joined and paid goes to their sponsor. We get a $25 fast start. So if you get 2 a month, that's $50. It's only a $30 a month program. So get 2 people a month and you'll get fast start $50. 25 plus 25 is 50, and that'll cover your $30 a month. Just get 2 people a month. It's not hard. You have 30 days to get 2 people and sign them up. That's $50. Or get 3 people and help your downline to get their 3 people. I need to help Donald. So if you join me and you tell me I wanna join under Donald or Michael, Michael's in my first row, my first level. He needs one more person. I want to help my downline members. So Donald needs, Donald needs 3 people. Michael needs 1. Steven over here, Steven M. He's in my second level. I got 5 people, but Steven needs 3 people. And Sandy and William, these people, they need their 3 people. So I want to help build my matrix. It doesn't matter who signed them up. Some of them are spillover. Some of them are spill under from my other members below me because I have some big, big marketers above me and below me, and I'm getting spill under. Excuse me. I'm getting spill under from people below me they're bringing in a bunch of people because they're big marketers and they're well known and they got a big list and they're great marketers. And I got somebody above me, Rob, who's bringing people in my matrix and they're spilling over under me and under my people. So we help people. I can get any one of these people's link and promote it, and they can get a $25 fast start commission. I don't care, but whoever gets the $25 commission, it doesn't matter. I'm just trying to fill the matrix. Right now I got 6 people in my level 3. 3 times you got 3 9. There's 27 people to fill the 3rd level. So I got 6 out of the 27. So I need to help the 5 people and I need to help the 3 people to get their 3. So everybody has 3. Give away the $25 fast start commission if you're a leader and if you have people on your team, promote their link. Help them. Everybody helps each other. There's like 2 or 300 there's like 2 or 300 people at least, around at least 200 people joining every month. There's like 1700 people just on our team in the Facebook group. That's not company wide, that's just on our team. This is on fire right now. You want to get in. My phone number is 352 286 8014. Call me. Tell me you want to join under Michael. You want to help out Michael and Donald or Steven or Arnold. Arnold's a friend of mine too. Any one of these people I can put you under. Tia needs people. She's in Texas. Arnold's in Texas. I don't know where these other people are. Donald's in Wisconsin. Michael's in Utah. Steven's in Utah. But I want to help these people because these are part of my team, part of my 3x7 matrix. It doesn't matter where they came from. If they're in my matrix, I want to make sure they have their 3 people. I want everybody to get 3. Write down my phone number, please. Tell me you want to help out Donald or Michael or Steven or Arnold or Tia, or any one of these people. I'll sign you up under their link. I can get their link from my back office. Doesn't matter who gets the $25 fast start. I just want to fill these positions. Get in now because somebody's going to pitch this to you. Somebody's going to be showing you a video. I got 60 some videos on my playlist. Look at my playlist on YouTube for this opportunity. It's a 3x7 matrix opportunity for wealth step by step. I got several playlists. Look at all the videos you can share. It's easy. Just give out a capture page link and a little video link. And then give them your phone number and your name and say, call me and I'll answer your questions. Do a 3-way call with me. I'll answer questions if you don't know them. I've only been in it for a few months, but I can answer the questions and I can close over the phone with a 3-way call. Or just call me and say, Bobby's going to call you, and then have Bobby call me and I'll sell them. You don't have to be on the call, but you should be on the call so you know what to say and you can listen and take notes. Write down my phone number, please. 352 286 8014. I'm getting fired up. I didn't have a new person now, but it seems like every few hours, every couple hours when I log in, there's somebody new. All these yellow people are brand new. They just got in. And then they're going to turn white and they're going to pay me residual income because they're in my system because I'm looking at them right now. I'm going to get $3 a person. I'm going to get $3 a month from Joyce, Antonio, John again, a different John, Arnold, and Brian. I'm going to get $7 per month from William, Sandy, Stephen, Tia, Dennis. Those 5 people, I'm going to get 5 times $7 equals $35 a month just for my 2nd level. That's level 1, level 2, level 3. There's 7 levels in this matrix. It forces people under your other people. If you have 3 already, it's going to force your other people below you to get some spillover and get residual income, whether they brought somebody in or not. Hang out with us for 3 months or 6 months. Even if you don't bring anybody in, you're probably going to get spillover. I can't guarantee it. I can't guarantee you're going to make any money, but if you stick around for 3 or 6 months and don't quit, a lot of people or some people quit after 1 month. They don't even give it a chance to get spillover. You got to be patient. I got 3 people on my 1st level, 5 in my 2nd level. There's 9 people possible on the 2nd level. I got 5. Level 3, I got 6. There's 27 people that are going to be in level 3. Keep watching my videos. You're going to see these numbers grow Over the last few days, they've been growing a lot. 352-286-8014. I'm excited. This is working. This is the best matrix program I've ever been involved in, and the admin is cool, and he's very kind, and he takes time to talk to people. He's friendly. He's helpful. He has experience. He gives you ideas on how to advertise, and he's on the Zoom calls. We have a phone number that's a sizzle call. I like to use direct mail postcards and flyers. I can make you a flyer, make you a postcard with a QR code to shoot them from their mailbox to the video or to a capture page or a website. We have team funnel systems, team capture pages with share codes from LeadSleep. Everything's done for you. You just got to get out there and tell people. Or go on the internet, social media, whatever. Postcards, flyers, do something. Magazine ads in the direct mail magazines for ad magazines, they work good. And it's low cost, cheap. You don't have to buy stamps for magazine ads. You don't have to stuff envelopes if you don't want to do the work. Just use publications and magazines. Direct mail is a different pond. I like to take my online programs and bring them and go fish in a different pond. All these direct mail people out here in the USA, this is a global opportunity, but I'm promoting direct mail to direct mail people that are in the USA. They never heard of this program. They don't know what's going on, so I want to fish in a different pond because the competition is going to get fierce for good programs like this online. So I'm promoting postcards, flyers. I got a bunch of ads and videos and flyers and postcards and PDFs, and I can make something for you. Just get in and get where you fit in. It's only $30 a month. Hang out with us for 3 months, 6 months. If nothing happens, just quit then. But don't quit after the first month like a couple of people that I got into the program. They quit after the first month. They have no patience. They didn't even wait for spillover. They give up too quick. Level 1, level 2, level 3. I'm working on it and it's growing fast. I got help from above me. I got help from below me. Now I want to help other people. I want to help all these people. So pick somebody here and I'll sign you up under them. It doesn't matter. Let somebody else get the $25 fast start. I don't care. I just want everybody to have at least 3 to fill this thing. There's 27 people possible in my level 3. I got 6. Check back on my YouTube in a couple days. It's going to be bigger because I'm watching this thing and I'm watching it grow. 352-286-8014. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When I make videos like this, I got my phone on Do Not Disturb, so somebody could be calling me right now. Leave a message, leave your first name, last name, text me the video link and say I'm interested, because I got a lot of videos, and some people call me and say, I like your video, I want to join. I don't know what they're wanting to buy or purchase or join. Share the link with me, the video link. If you click on share for YouTube, you can get the link and text it to me. That way I know what the heck you're talking about. Some people say, I want to get in Daily Cash Team. Well, Daily Cash Team is just the name of me and my team. It's just my brand and my .com. Daily Cash Team doesn't tell me anything. It just says you saw one of my videos. So send me the YouTube link. If you're direct mail, I can make you postcards and flyers or little ad sheet ads. They're cheap. They're cheap to promote. All you need is a QR code. Put it on a little Post-it note and stick them all over town or bulletin boards at laundromats. It's not hard. But you got to do something to get people to watch a little 2-minute, 3-minute video and give them your contact information and say, call me. Or I'll call you back in a couple hours. I'll call you back tomorrow and follow up with them and answer their questions. If you don't know the answers, do a 3-way call with me. I'll answer the questions. I'll sell them. I'll close. 352-286-8014. Jesus loves you. He's coming soon. Call me anytime, day or night. Leave a message, leave your phone number, speak slowly, say it twice. Tell me what you saw and text me the video link or the website link. God bless you. Take care. Click the button below this video if you're on my website, if you're looking at it on my website. If you're on YouTube, go in the pinned comment or the video description, click the link and take the next step and get the information. 352-286-8014. Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. This is the wealth step-by-step opportunity, global, worldwide. It's only $30 a month. It's real easy to get $50 with the Fast Start bonus. Just get 2 people per month. Talk to you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.